Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free earning website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can claim this much satoshi of the Dogecoin every 2 minutes and pay you instantly to your faucetpay. Go to your faucetpay, copy your wallet address, go to deposit, come down, copy your Dogecoin wallet address from here and come to this website. Okay, and just paste your Dogecoin wallet address in here and come down and just click login. After login, first of all I solved this capture. After solving this capture, just solve the hand capture available in this in here. Just solve this little capture. After that, solving, come down, just click verify capture. Wait few seconds and you can see show you a sponsor link. Just click sponsor link to watch a short link in here to pay you instantly to your faucetpay. You can see one short links available in here for right now. Just solve this little capture first of all. Okay, just show you some advertisement. Just ignore that advertisement. Just click the pass available in this all pictures, and after that just click verify and come down. Just click here to continue and wait maybe 10 seconds. Okay, right now it's 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds just click continue in here to show you a next page. Okay, right now get the link, click the get link. Okay, and wait few seconds. Okay, right now you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. That's too easy, not too hard. I go to overview, just reload the page and come down to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Alright, now you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucetpay, and you can see this to me in the website pay me. Okay, and this website link available in description. You can claim unlimited time claim per day and you can easily make your money. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.